You know, as usual, I will bring you updates about the Pi network and the Pi coin and Pi mining and everything that relates to Pi on this YouTube channel. Just a few minutes ago, I did my liveliness check. And yesterday or 2 days ago, I do my two-factor authentication. I made a video about the fact that the liveliness check and the two-factor authentication, you are not the one that will initiate it. It is Pi that will notify you. That is what my source told me, even though I have not done it. And I've seen other content creators saying that you are the one that will initiate it. Go and click this, go and click this. And I was telling my wife, this person sending this to you, all these things, they don't know much about it. My wife was saying, the person have done research before he did it. Now, I just logged in to my Pi mining app, and I needed to continue mining, click the mining because the mining session have ended. And I click it and it is continued mining. And the next thing it brought up a pop-up that I need to do the liveliness check. And I immediately followed the prompt. In fact, I sat where I came to sit here and I used this background to do the liveliness check. I showed my face in the first of all, showed my email in 2 places, asking me if I want to change it. I said, no, I don't want to change it. So I moved on. Because that email, I have good access to it. And I moved on to the next level. He asked me to show my face straight. And he showed me different examples of the one that is good, the one that is bad. And I looked at it and I was ready. And I moved the camera close. He asked me to look straight into the camera. I did for 3 seconds. It took the snap. He asked me to face the right-hand side. I did. And I was looking at the camera so that I would know when it has finished. He did that for a number of times repeatedly. Then I look away and I look at the right hand. It completed. Asked me to look at the left. I looked at the left. It completed. Asked me to look up. I looked up. It completed. Asked me to look down. I looked down. It completed. And that is all. I did the liveliness check. The same thing with the two-factor authentication. I logged in and then it brought it to me that I need to verify my email. And then the message was sent to my email. I went to my email. I clicked the first link. And then that was all. Two-factor authentication was done. So this is a simple way to do the liveliness check and the two-factor authentication. You can see, as you are logging in, the prompt is going to come. I've told you that before. Now, somebody was saying in one of my videos, I need to say this before I go, in one of my videos just today in the comment section, where I talk about Mainnet and others, he said, where did I get all this information that I'm supposed to show them the pictures? Now, this liveliness check I just did, I will now show you the picture. Which picture am I going to show you? Which picture am I going to show you for this liveliness check? Something I have done and it has been done. That means you want me to go and get pictures from online and start showing you and telling you lies? No, there's no need for that. If you cannot agree with what I'm telling you with my mouth directly, then you have yourself to blame. You have yourself to blame. And I told the person that I am talking to people who are knowledgeable. I'm not talking to primary school. It's primary school students that they will say if they don't see picture, they will not believe. I will be describing something. I say, go to your Pi mining app, the 3 lines by the left. Click it. Go here. Go here. When you go there, you will see the 3 lines. It's on YouTube. You have your own app. Do I need to be showing you this one is this? Then look at your finger. When you show your finger, the middle finger. So I need to point at middle finger before you know that this is the middle finger. I need to point at this before you know that this is what they call atankpako in Yoruba. I need to show you. I don't need to do that. Or the little finger. I will say, okay, go and touch your little finger. This is your little finger. Are you primary school students? I know you are not in primary school. I know you are knowledgeable people that I'm talking to. If you are not knowledgeable, then clear off from this channel. I'm talking to knowledgeable people. So that if those kind of individuals should go back to primary school, where they'll be showing you pictures, where they want to add 1 plus 1. Then they bring one stone, another stone. They don't say this is 1, this is 1. Add it together, then count it 1, 2. Is that what you want me to be doing on this channel? Please, I am beyond that. I'm a university lecturer and I'm bringing you information and I'm talking to people that are sensible and that have brain in their head. So this is how to do two-factor authentication, and this is how also have to do the liveliness check. So I don't want my knowledge to just be in the classroom. I want to do research in other areas too and bring you knowledge. I can look at things, understand it, and explain it to you. So I will talk to you in the next one. My name is Dr. Oluwengade. I'm your brain behind this YouTube channel. Please like this video, share the link on this video, subscribe to this channel, and keep coming back for more. The level we are going into now, we are going to the level of providing signal for forex trading and others and crypto trading. Please stay tuned. You are going to be glad you did. This video popping up at the side is the next video to watch now. Go ahead and click it and watch it.